I just released Codex SEO. This is the Codex first version of Claude SEO. Same SEO brain, different runtime, built properly for Codex. This is not a copy-paste port, and it is not just a folder rename. Codex SEO is a full SEO skill suite made to work naturally inside Codex. The repo ships with one main orchestrator skill, 26 SEO workflows, 24 Codex TOML agents, a Codex plugin manifest, installers, deterministic runners, security checks, CI checks, and release assets. It is open source, and the repo is on GitHub. Search for Agrici Codex SEO or go to github.com/agrici/codex-seo. Here is the point. You should be able to open Codex and say, do a full SEO check on this website, and Codex should know what to do. No weird prompts, no manual routing, no pasting a long instruction block every session. Just ask. Codex SEO is designed so natural language is enough. When you ask for an audit, Codex SEO routes the work across technical SEO, content quality, schema, images, sitemaps, core web vitals, AI search readiness, GEO, backlinks, local SEO, maps, e-commerce, topic clusters, SXO, hreflang, and SEO drift. One system, multiple specialist workflows, and a shared cache so evidence can be reused. Most SEO audits fail in two ways. They are either too shallow or they are too scattered. You get basic advice like improve the title tag, add alt text, and make the site faster. Or you need 5 dashboards, 3 tools, and someone still has to connect the dots. Codex SEO gives Codex the SEO operating system. The most important rule is evidence over guesses. If data for SEO is not connected, it should not hallucinate keyword volume. If Google Search Console is not connected, it should not invent impressions. If Firecrawl is not installed, it should say setup required. The core still works without those extensions, but premium data should be real. Installation is simple. The README has one command for Mac and Linux and one command for Windows. The installer copies the skills into Codex, installs the agent profiles, creates the Python runtime, installs browser support for visual checks, and verifies the environment. After that, restart Codex and ask for an SEO audit in plain language. You can ask things like, audit this website, check this page for schema and core web vitals, build an SEO plan for local dental clinic, find what changed after this deployment, generate local business schema, review this page for AI overviews and Chatgpt search. / commands still work, but they are optional. If you run an agency, use it for client audits. If you build websites, use it before shipping. If you do SEO, use it as your second brain. If you are learning SEO, read the skills, because they are plain markdown. No dashboard lock-in, no black box, just a practical Codex first SEO system. Claude SEO is still the Claude code version. Codex SEO is for Codex. Different package, different agent format, different config paths, same SEO system. Big shout out to Avalon Reset, who made the original Codex conversion possible. The repo is public now. Search Agrici Codex SEO on GitHub, install it, test it, and use it before your next SEO audit.